Hi guys, so you're welcome to my channel. Stacy here as always. So first thing first, if you are a woman just like me who has always felt intimidated about this Buchi Mix blender on this social media space, like everywhere you go to Buchi Mix, everywhere you go to Buchi Mix, food bloggers want to finish us with Buchi Mix blender. What in the name of Buchi Mix is this kind of frustration? So today I have another blender I want to share with you. No, I want to talk about this blender. It is a blender review o'clock. Yes, so please watch this video to the end. From here, I am trying to unbox the blender. Yeah. Why you should consider this blender? I am not doing marketing for them, but just for you who is looking for the best, efficient and affordable blender to go for. One, it is affordable. This blender is affordable. Secondly, this blender is strong. It is rugged. So if you're looking for this qualities in a blender, please consider this blender. Alright, so this is it. Let's have a closer look. Alright. This is the operating manual. So I'll go through this before I begin using it. So this is the 3-liter cup. It's quite big. It has the second one inside because this is a 2-in-1 blender. This is the thick, or what do they call it? I don't know. I love the color. This is how it is. This is actually big. It looks small in the picture, but this is actually big. It is big. This is the speed regulator, on and off, start off, pause, and others. So when I am done with this, I will show you what I am able to use this to blend it. I will end the video from here, and then the next part I'll be showing you will be where I have blended something with it, and I will take you along that process. Thank you so much. So I want to see how it turns out because I'm just using it for the first time. I am trying to be careful, but this looks smooth. Can you see? This looks smooth. Okay. For me now, I think this is not bad. It's not bad. Yeah. So I'll end it from here. My review, this is good, but subsequently, if I have another video to make, I'll make and show you. Thank you. I will state my observations after using this blender for some time. The first day I used the blender, I perceived a little bit of smell, like that smoky kind of smell, like something burnt. But no, nothing happened to the blender. I think because that was the first day I was using it. Secondly, I was able to use this blender to grind stronger things. I was able to use it to blend my rice for my masa. Literally, I was able to use it for some stronger stuffs, and I saw where this can also be used to blend tiger nut for your tiger nut drink. But there is a way to do it. You should not fill the cup and make sure you have enough water in there to blend it with. and use the pulse option first to break all the strong knots before you begin to blend. So that is just the tip I would add to it. But overall, I would recommend this blender for anyone who is looking for something good, durable, and affordable. Don't forget, your blender stays longer with you if you maintain it well. Thank you so much for watching this video to this moment. Have a blessed day. Bye.